welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing a clean with me. I asked my husband for Christmas if he could redo the kitchen cabinets as well as paint the walls, and he did so. I'm so happy with the results. And so as you can see, I still have up some Christmas decor that I will be removing today. Well, just that tray. So the kitchen actually had some blinds up. I took those blinds down, and now I'm putting up some kitchen curtains that I purchased from Walmart. They're gray, and this was not working too well for me. So I decided to use a different pair of curtains that are actually not kitchen curtains. But I think they turned out well. You'll see them in a bit. So I stole the two gray panels from my living room, and I already had some orange curtains, and I was inspired by a picture I saw on Pinterest. Even though those are not kitchen curtains, it worked out so much better. And please let me know in the comments below what you guys think of my window treatments. stove top is really my least favorite area to clean in the kitchen, and I must admit that my husband does a better job than I do. Tell me in the comments below, what's your least favorite area to clean in your kitchen? So, new paint color calls for new kitchen towels, or maybe not, but I did purchase some new kitchen towels and some new dish rags, and I'm going to be putting them in their proper place. And I believe this basket is for Mel, but I purchased it from Ross for only $19.99, and where I'll be placing my vegetables as well as my fruit. Now, the bareness of the white walls was driving me a little insane, but I did not want to clutter the walls up with too many things. However, I did purchase these planners some time ago from the Target dollar spot. I will leave my nighttime clean with me video in the cards above, just so you can take a look and see what the kitchen looked like before. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for sticking around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And again, thanks so much for watching. God bless.